personal Jesus, someone to hear your prayers, someone who cares. Hero, personal Jesus, someone to hear your prayers, someone who's there. Telephone, lift up the receiver, I'll make you a believer. Days that come best, put me to the test. Things on your test you need to confess.